The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum is a classic children's novel that follows the adventures of a young girl named Dorothy, who lives in Kansas with her Aunt Em and Uncle Henry. A cyclone transports Dorothy and her dog, Toto, to the magical land of Oz. To return home, Dorothy must travel to the Emerald City and seek the help of the powerful Wizard of Oz. Along the way, she befriends the Scarecrow, who desires a brain, the Tin Woodman, who longs for a heart, and the Cowardly Lion, who seeks courage. Together, they face numerous challenges, including the Wicked Witch of the West, who aims to thwart their journey. Upon reaching the Emerald City, they discover that the wizard is a humbug, a regular man without any magical powers. However, he helps each of them realize they already possess what they seek. Dorothy learns that she can return home using the magical silver shoes, ruby slippers, in the film adaptation. In the end, Dorothy clicks her heels together and wakes up back in Kansas, realizing that home is where her heart is. The story emphasizes themes of self-discovery, courage, and the idea that the power to achieve our desires often lies within ourselves.